What's up, guys? Happy New Year! Okay, 2020 bafethu. Please subscribe to channel. Subscribe bafethu. I need subscribers. Watch my videos, guys. Don't just download them. Just help watch them bafethu. Okay. Especially if you have it, just leave YouTube running just to help. In our time yam. Okay. This song is F sharp. Ziyezwakala, Izigi, Zenkosi, nabanqobile. See? Ihamba nje. Okay, let me do basic first because many of you wanted this. Oh, let me play it first, okay? I hope I am slow. So I'm sorry guys ngokuba fast. Yeah. Most of the tutorials I'll start with the slow portion then continue give it faster, like ngenzela uaccommodate nabantu asebethe ukuthi ancane ukeyboard asebeshoda ngaleyo piece of yabo encane nje just nakuthi bakwazi ukuthi bathole leyo piece yabo. Pizza now ngifaka u39 easy pop. Please download the Eat Style app if you want to learn how to set keyboard. Nento eningi nje but many improvements are still coming on that app, guys. It was created by me, Uthandanani. Follow me on Facebook or Facebook, Uthandanani Eugene. Go to group here to keyboard players and rolling keyboards on sale. Now we page late. Please follow us on our page. But lang release a tutorial. Download Facebook, download Facebook, download lama video. Save video, then download it. Phone yakho. Facebook download leyo app uzokwazi download ama videos. Simple as that, bafethu. So into kanjalo nje yeah, into kanjalo bafethu. Please subscribe to channel bafethu. Subscribe to this channel. Follow page lam page ekade ngisanda kulisho ku Facebook. Like nama video, comment with anything that you want to comment. I'm here for helping, guys. Let's help each other this 2020 bafethu. I want now ukuthi le channel ikwazi ukuqala monetize, do progress. If once ngaqala ukumonetize ngizokwazi ukuthi bafethu ngithenge i500, i-review i500, do many stuff bafethu, ngithenge namanye ama keyboard, collaborate with big keyboard players like Mazibuko or Voodoo or Da or Chonco baningi engizolokhunja nabo o name o lihle yabo. Hopefully nje ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibathole. So please, once yaqala ya monetize sokwazi ukuthi sithathe lento into the next level, nizwe nesinye isandla, not just my hand. You see, into kanjalo bafethu. That's it bafethu. Subscribe to channel, follow kuleli page leli like Facebook, like the video, comment bafethu, encourage me also, subscribe bafethu. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Follow this page if you haven't followed, if you're seeing this on Facebook. Thanks guys. 2020 we are learning keyboard. Funeka kuphela 2020, not 2020, June 2020. Learning through this channel, you will be the best. Thanks guys.